To hide water running notification content on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under appliances and other section, tap water running. While the alert for water running notification is set to alert, tap lock screen and then select hide content. By choosing this option, when sound notification feature is on and it detects a water running sound near you, your phone will just show a notification on your lock screen to tell you that you have the notification from the sound notification. However, if you want to know the detail of the notification, you need to unlock your phone first. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.